என்னை பெற்ற அன்னைக்கும் நான் கற்ற தமிழ் அன்னைக்கும் முதல் வணக்கம். I am Arul Mani from Salem. In this video, I want to emphasize the necessity to ban the production of bricks by using the soil fit for cultivation. At present, in various places in India, the soil fit for cultivation is taken out from agricultural lands by digging up to several feet depth and is being used for the production of bricks. Because of this, the area fit for cultivation is gradually decreasing. If we permit this situation to continue, in future we will have to face the deficiency in the availability of agricultural land, and we will be unable to cultivate sufficient quantity of food products which are needed to cater the needs of our increasing population. In such a situation, we will be forced to beg from the other countries for getting the agricultural food products. So, our government must take swift action to ban the production of bricks from the soil fit for cultivation. If the soil is not available for the production of bricks, we can find out some new technology to manufacture the bricks. But if the soil fit for cultivation is not available, we cannot invent a technology to produce soil fit for cultivation. The soil, after gets converted into bricks, cannot be converted back as a soil fit for cultivation. The land without the soil fit for cultivation is equivalent to a body without life. Using the soil fit for cultivation for the production of bricks is equivalent to buy a footwear by giving the legs as its cost. The man who is not capable of creating the soil fit for cultivation has no right to convert the soil fit for cultivation into a product which is unfit for cultivation. Using the soil fit for cultivation for the production of bricks is an activity of seizure of the rights of all the human beings. Hereafter, if we permit such stupid activities, the buildings constructed from such bricks will become the tombs instead of being the living places of human beings. In such a situation, we will have no other go than to do cultivation in the land below the buildings after destructing the buildings, and also we will be forced into a situation to import the agriculture food products from the other planets. So our government must find out some new technology for the production of bricks by using some substances which are unfit for cultivation, and also our government must bring out necessary laws to ban the production of bricks by using the soil fit for cultivation. Thank you.